Hey there, robot nerds. I'm Leith, and I'm here with Johanna, and we have a very special episode of KTV in store for you today.
That's right. We are live from Automate 2019, which is the largest automation show, and we are very excited to be here.
Let's take a look at some of the things in Kawasaki's booth. Holy crap, that's a big robot.
That's right. That is the Kawasaki CP180L palletizer robot, which offers industry-leading cycle times of 2,050 cycles per hour.
And it looks like if you pair it with some of the tools from our integration partners, you can have a pretty flexible robot.
So what do we got going on here?
Most robots pick things up and put them down, but it's the things that we pair with the robot that make that an easy or a difficult task.
This RSO7L robot uses conveyor synchronization as well as overhead vision to quickly pick and pack product.
And if we turn on overdrive mode, it can pack even faster. I think we found my favorite demo.
Whoa, slow down, cowboy. Behind us we have the Duara 2, which we recently released, and it's making its first appearance here at Automate in its separated form.
In this form, it works out really well for those installation situations where your arms and your controller can't be in the same place.
And don't forget, it has an increased vertical stroke of 550 millimeters.
We hope that you've enjoyed this special episode of KTV.
Until next time.
Thanks for watching.